guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for stopping by me today. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I styled these short box braids that I've been rocking for like 2 weeks plus now. And yeah, I really love them. The tutorial for these braids are already uploaded on my channel. I'll leave a link to that in the description below, but yeah, be sure to check it out. And we are gonna jump into the styling video, but first make sure you guys thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification posts, do all of that stuff that you know you need to do, yes, to support my channel. If you guys are interested to see this makeup look, it will also be uploaded, so please be sure to check that out. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Maybe the hairstyling comes before the makeup, but depending on when you're watching this, the link may have already been in the description. If not, be sure to subscribe and turn on notification post so you can see when I upload this makeup tutorial. And again, thank you guys so much for your continued support, and let's just jump into this video. Okay, so for the first style, I'm simply just gonna lift some from the side and pull it over to the other side in the front, leaving the back hanging. Then I'll apply some bobby pins. Now in this video I may not show you guys how I apply bobby pins and stuff to the style, because I'm just showing you guys how to style it. But if you're gonna wear this style, be sure to add bobby pins. And I did wash this hair twice, and I didn't re-water it, so that's the reason why the braids aren't that straight. So just know, if you wash it, to also dip it in hot water once again, just to keep them straight. Now moving into this half up, half down hairstyle, which I do wear a lot. I'm simply just going to put half up in a ponytail, and then just take a braid to wrap around that relevant area. I like to do this just to make this hairstyle look a little bit more flawless, more polished and neater. So that's what I do. I'm not going to talk right through this video, so you guys could just watch and enjoy, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. You've made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, let me know which style was your favorite, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.